Starting a YouTube channel and uploading videos can be very easy, but to maintain that channel is very difficult. There are a lot of YouTubers that have given up because of this, because whenever they post videos, that video don't get views. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload your videos on YouTube the proper way so that you can be able to get views. So please stick with me to the end of this video, and please, if you have not liked this video, please like and make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. Let's dive in. So before I show you guys how to upload your video the right way, you need to make sure that your video idea is solid. You need to ask yourself this question: will my video idea or will my video solve a problem? Will my video be entertaining? Is my video adding value to the people that watch it? So just make sure you ask these questions to yourself, and if your answer is positive, then you can go ahead and upload your video. Then also you can use tools like Google Trends or TubeBuddy to find trending topics. You have to be creating videos based on trending topics, because trending videos are something like, it's something that will make you get views. So just use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy or Google Trends to find trending topics within your niche. So when you do all these things, you'd be able to get a successful upload, you'd be able to get views. So without further ado, let's just dive in, guys. My fellow creators, what is the first thing that you need to do? You need to make sure that your title, your thumbnail, and your tags are well optimized. You need to make sure that these three things are well optimized before you upload your YouTube video. It is very important, especially your title. That is why I said before that you need to use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to help you come up with keywords that people are searching for. So make sure that your title is attention grabbing. Make sure that your title sparks a sort of curiosity for anybody that is scrolling on YouTube. When they see it, they will be tempted to click on your video. Then make sure that your thumbnail is well designed. Design your thumbnail properly, guys. There are some people that will ask me in the comment section, why am I not getting views? It is because your thumbnail is not attractive. Try to design your thumbnail in a very nice way. Make sure you use bold fonts, bright colors, make sure that your pictures, your expression is, just make sure that everything is on point. And when you do it, people will click on your videos. Then also make sure that you don't leave your tags empty. The tag bar, make sure that it is not empty. A lot of big YouTubers say that tags don't play any role, but even though they don't play any role, or even though it does not play any role, please try to add something in your tags, because your tag, it contains the words that people are searching for based on your video. So just add some words in your tags, and when you do it, you'll be seeing positive results. So just do all these things, and your videos will start getting views. So guys, the next thing that you need to do before you upload your video is to make sure that you upload at the right time. As a creator, you don't just upload at any time you wish. You need to make sure that you upload at the time when your subscribers and when your viewers are most likely to be online. So how do you find out? You can go to the YouTube Studio app and you will see it there. They will show you the time that your viewers are mostly online. Or maybe if you're not yet able to see it, you can use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy. They will show you this data, but you have to pay some amount of money for them to show you this information. So just upload at the right time, or just upload mostly in the evening, maybe by 6 p.m. when people are mostly at home, depending on the place or depending on the geographical area you're living at. Just make sure you upload at the right time. Then you'll be getting views. The next thing that I would advise you to do is to craft a video description. The description box is one of the most ignored things. Some creators usually leave their description box empty. You need to stop leaving your description box empty, because it is very, very important. You need to add keywords into it. Add keywords naturally, because the more you're adding words, the more you're adding keywords related to that video in the description box, your discoverability will be high. So people will find you faster when you add words in your description box, not just any words, keywords related to your video. And make sure you add video links, like related video links inside the description box. Add your playlist links and all that, and make sure you add chapters to your video, because when your videos don't have chapters, people might find it hard to watch it till the end. So add chapters to your video. And in case you don't know how to add chapters, please click that video card showing your screen when you're done with this video. After uploading your videos, try to engage as soon as possible. Whenever someone comments on your videos, try to reply that comment immediately. Try to start up a conversation, because the more the engagement, the more the YouTube algorithm will promote that video to other viewers. So try to engage with your viewers and try to comment. Also ask them questions in the comment section, try to ask them questions in the video, so that so that they can be able to know what to comment on. So make sure you also share your video, after posting your videos on YouTube. Make sure you share it in your community tab or your community post or whatever. So when you share your videos, people will see your video and they will watch your video. The main thing is to engage. Try to engage with your viewers. Try to engage with those that comment on your videos. Next thing that I'll be telling you is to use playlists to drive your videos. Try to create playlists out of your videos. Those videos that had so many views, you can combine all of them into one playlist. And one interesting thing about playlists is that when somebody is watching a video from your playlist, the next video that comes up will be the video in that playlist. So try to create playlists. Playlist helps a lot. It helps a lot. So if you're a creator, especially a small YouTuber, and you're not using playlists, try to create playlists. I apologize for the noise in this video. Please, I live in a very noisy place, so please bear with me. And please subscribe to this channel and make sure you like this video. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. You watched me to this very point, so please subscribe. Another way to get views on YouTube is to promote your videos outside of YouTube. So after you upload your videos, you need to wait for at least 48 hours or 24 hours before you send your video out of YouTube. You can post it on other social media platforms and ask people to watch your video. So you're going to get views normally when you promote your videos. The thing is, you have to wait for at least a day or two before you promote your videos. And when you do it, you'll be getting views. Before you upload your next video, you need to analyze and adapt. What do I mean by that? You need to check the results of the previous video you uploaded. Go to the YouTube analytics and check the audience retention, the click-through rate, the moment when people started clicking off, the moment when people were skipping and all that. Check the results. And if the results are okay, then keep on doing what you're doing. But if the results are not really good, try to re-strategize, try to change the way you create your videos. It is important to check all these things. Some creators usually don't check it. So I'm telling you now, try to do it, try to check these things. And when you check it, you'll be able to create your videos in a good way, in a way that people will watch it from the beginning till the end. So if your thumbnail is not okay, try to redesign your thumbnail, because your thumbnail is part of the thing that plays a huge role. Like, it is part of the thing that will make people to click your video, and it will increase your click-through rate. So just do all these things that I've said. Just try to do everything I've said in this video, and your views will start coming in. Creating YouTube videos is not easy at all. Getting views is not easy, but it is possible. It is 100% possible to get hundreds and thousands of views. It is 100% possible to get millions of views, because there are so many creators out there that are getting millions of views. So if they can get it, you can also get it. Just do the right thing. Do the right thing the right way, and you will be getting views. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And let me know in the comment section which of the tips you will be trying when next you want to upload your YouTube video. Just let me know in the comment section, and I'll be there to answer each and every one of you. Thank you so much once more. And please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe one last time. And make sure you like this video, and don't forget to share this video also. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Please check the video out showing on your screen.